What's going on, guys? We're going to be talking about how I caught Mgrm today for two 50% gains with the team this morning. Let's go ahead and get into it. This morning in the Discord around 8:28 a.m. I said I was in Mgrm small 2450 risking 2380 for the range of 2580 to 27 bucks. And if we go ahead and take a look at this, we had a tremendous move, and I want to go into why and how I was able to catch this, where I did this morning. And we had a really simple setup here that I actually find myself playing a lot. So we had these previous highs yesterday and after hours around this 2380 mark, which we ended up using today as risk. And what you see here, using 2380, waited for confirmation. We wanted to see buyers confirm this range before we ended up trying to play it today, right? Is we saw this double bottom here below this risk range. And whenever buyers came in and took it back up above this range, as you can see right here, I alerted entry here at 2450, risking the lows here of 2380 using yesterday's previous highs to see if we couldn't get buyers to come back. Now, there was no volume on this. It's another big part of why I decided to play this is we had no volume. I know that sounds silly, but we only had about 100 shares per candle here on this morning, and it was already gapped up 150%. So in my mind, I'm like, okay, it's Friday. People want to make some quick bucks into the weekend. There's not a whole lot of nice gappers out there. Mgrm is our leading gapper, so I think that volume and buyers are going to come storming back into this as we, head back into market open. And sure enough, that's exactly what happened. So I alerted entry here at 2450. We got the buyers to come back in over this 25 spot, and actually got to move back over VWAP where I took profit around the 28s the initial time. So the first trade. And then after that trade, as you can see, I'll show you guys real quick. Half out at 26 to protect my risk, and then we had quarter left at 26.40, and then of course out full over, where was it, 29.50. So out full 29.50 here at 8.58. So out full on this big old stick right here, and then if you look back, we played it again going into open with smaller size, and this is pretty self-explanatory as well. I figured that this would halt up and open. We didn't have a lot of gappers this morning, so using this wedge break here, going into market open, we broke out of this wedge with some volume, took the pullback entry after I saw buyers on the pullback. And I'll actually post these trades from this morning. You can go watch them live. I'll post them in about 30 minutes or so on my social media accounts. You can go watch it and see how we did it, the full walkthrough process. And I did record this lotto trade. I didn't record the first, but the lotto was recorded. But anyways, once we saw buyers coming off this pullback, I didn't take this pullback. I waited for buyers to come in off the pullback. Got my entry around 32, risking 31, had about $1 of risk, and I was looking for the move back to previous highs of 37. So talk about risk to reward, super nice, about 5-to-1 risk to reward. And we got that move here at market open, as you can see. Alerted here, taking a tiny lotto into open under 33, risking 31, playing with profits from the first trade. That was at 927, so that was on this stick right here, right? So I had half out at 36, quarter left at 38, and then stuck up in the halt. So I had runners left over 40 and took the rest out at 48 bucks. So that was insane. Absolutely. Look, I was out full here at 940, which was right here after this initial halt after open. And if you look at the live video that I'm going to post as well, you'll see that I say I want 50 bucks after the halt, so on and so forth. And really happy with the trade overall. So it was a really slow Friday, but using these levels and preparing and actually planning for the day ahead, we were able to catch a really big trade. Actually, the biggest mover in the market today on Mgrm. We caught it at the absolute bottom today. So super stoked. 2450 all the way over 48 total with both of the trades combined. So absolutely amazing way to start the day, or amazing way to end the week, I should say. And it looks like you guys did fantastic on it today. Overall, really fun week. The market's finally heating back up again. SPY finally chose a direction this week as well. So should be a fun week ahead. Make sure to join the Discord for nightly watch lists, live alerts, pre-market watch lists, education, etc. I will see you guys in the Discord Monday, and have a great weekend. Have a blessed weekend and a safe rest of your Friday, guys. Peace out.